math time. So before entering the math time, let's sing a rhymes. Let's sing a rhymes. Come on. Shall we sing a rabbit song? Yes. Rabbits, rabbits, 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Camels, camels, 4, 5, 6. Why do you have a hump like this? Monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Will you teach me how to climb? When I counted up to 10, the elephant says, now start again. The elephant says, now start again. Okay kids, it's time for math time. At your home, everybody do the counting from 1 to 100. So daily you have to do the 1 to 100. Then only you can do the written time. So as well as you have to do the written practice also. Whenever you find time. Okay. So you have to take practice in from 1 to 100. As well as written as well as oral. Okay kids. Today we are going to see the already we finished up to 12 number names. Am I right? From 1 to 12 already finished. Today we are going to see the number name 13. What number name we are going to see? We are going to see the number name 13. See the spelling of 13. See here. This is number 13. Everybody say this is number 13. We are going to see the spelling of 13. Let's see the 13 spelling. See here. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Say once again. Come on. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Come on. So 13 means how many objects will present here? How many objects? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 teddy bears. Okay kids. So what is this number name? This is number name of 13. This is the number name of 13. What spelling of 13? T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Okay kids? Yes kids, come on. Let's see the number name 13 over here. See here. Come on. What is this number? Yes, this is number 13. 1, 3, 13. See, what spelling for 13? T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. See the spelling of 13 everybody. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. So 13 means how many apples are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 apples. Everybody say 13 apples. Okay kids? Let's once again recall the number name. Come on, see the numbers. Everybody see here. O-N-E. 1. Everybody say O-N-E. 1. T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Everybody say T-H-R-E-E. 3. Next, F-O-U-R. 4. Everybody say F-O-U-R. 4. Very good. Next, what is this number? Yes, this is number 5. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. S-E-V-E-N. 7. What is this number? This is number 8. See here. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Next see here. N-I-N-E. 9. Next, T-E-N. 10. What is this number? This is number 11. What is this number? This is number 11. What spelling for 11? E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Everybody say E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Next, see the spelling of 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. See here. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. This is number 13. This is number 13. See the spelling of 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. See the spelling of 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Okay kids. So 13. Today only you learned the new spelling. 13. 13 only you learned today, you know. So in your language note, in your maths note, you have a checked note, you know, baby. So in your bag, you have a check. Today your maths homework is in your note as well as your worksheet. Okay, baby. See, in your bag we kept a checked note. This is your maths note. So in your maths note, you have to write it, the spelling of 13. Okay, kids, you leave the 2 pages because you have to first page, you have to finish the 1 to 10. So that is when you free time. Not compulsory. When you free time, you have to finish the 1 to 10. Okay, the second page, you have to write the number 11. Next page, you have to write the number name 12. See? So, in this page, you have to write the number name 13. So, 13 only today is your homework. So, you have to write the 13 number name 5 times enough, baby. Only 5 times enough. See here. So, this first page, you leave it for 1 to 10. You leave it. So, at a time, you don't write it for all number names. When you free time, ma'am, time and I again telling, when you free time, that time you finish it 1 to 10, 11, 12. So, see, this is for 1 to 10 here. Next 12 in this page. So, up to 12 is not compulsory today. That is your free time. You can finish it up to 12. Next page, you have to start with 13. Okay, kids? Next, you have to start with 13. So, that is your maths homework in your notebook. In your note. So, in this page, you have to write 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Next, you put a hyphen, small line. Next, you write a 13.